call the firemen to come fight the fire. But this company introduced this concept to us. They told us, man, we are in the 21st century. We shouldn't be talking of calling firemen to come and fight fire. We should be talking of preventing fire. Every Nigerian, before you build a house, while building your house, and after building your house, you think of what you need to do to prevent fire.
Having fire prevention in any organization cannot really be overemphasized. You see, these days, you never can tell. A lot of gadgets are put in place, especially in the hospitality industry. The generators are there, electrical fittings in terms of internet facilities are all there. We have business center and stuff like that. So in the event of having put all these things in place, you never can tell whenever there could be a fire outbreak. So the best thing to do is to make sure you put a system in place that can checkmate that in the event of any such fire outbreak.
The Sagif team assures you of first-class service and high-quality products. Feat not so common in fire prevention services in this part of the world.
A lot of losses have been recorded in government agencies, whereby overnight there will be electrical fault and leads to fire, and documents get burnt, and important gadgets also go with it. I can remember very well that in the state where I used to work, we were twice lucky, because you know, if you see what fire does, then you know that it is not something that one should joke with. So in government agencies, be it state or federal, the importance of preventing fire can be linked directly to the cost of the damages that you know, it causes when it actually happens. So over the years, there have been increase in the amount of money allocated for fire prevention. The only thing that we need to do is to actually ensure that there's full implementation before the end of the year. Sagif, as I'm quite aware, is well positioned to render such service at a very affordable and timely manner. So then at the local level, I'm talking about, you know, individuals, indoor, private projects, you'll discover that a lot of homes are now being built and the homeowners investing a lot of money. You will see that architects bring very, very beautiful building, you know, well, very modern buildings, and you discover that in the plan and in the design of the whole building, there's no fire prevention mechanism. I would want to advise that professional bodies are also called upon, like the architects and the builders, so that when they are, you know, drawing their plans for the buildings and actually putting all the designs together, they must, you know, incorporate the fire prevention aspect of it. It is not expensive, because once you plan from the beginning, then it is very cheap.
Sagif has been doing a lot of sensitization campaign across the country, maybe from the city of Abuja to all other states, capitals, to create awareness. And we've been running workshops, we've been doing seminars, and then we are in partnership too with the Federal Fire Service. And then apart from that, we've been in touch constantly too with the print media, with the news media, all on television, to let people know that apart from using portable extinguishers, which they are used to, then the conventional alarm, of course, there is a need for them to identify themselves with the 21st century approach in fire, which is the use of passive fire prevention products.
Sagif, protecting properties, protecting lives.